Hi, I'm Marie from DocSense. Today we're going to explain how to view and export your printing statistics. Watchdoc lets you collect a large number of economic and environmental statistics on the volume of pages printed, document status and users. To do this, simply go to the Statistics tab in the Watchdoc admin area. Select the file or group of print feeds and the period of your choice to obtain the data you wish to consult. This page gives you access to a wealth of information in the form of tables and graphs about the use of Watchdoc within your company or community. Displayed in the form of graphs or tables, the statistics are presented to you in a clear and readable way. If you wish to export the statistics in CSV, XML, or Excel format, simply click on the Export Counters button. You can then select the export criteria you want. You can also export the statistics in PDF format simply by clicking on the Generate PDF button. Do you want to reduce waste, control your costs, and your environmental impact? These statistics can help you to understand your usage and identify the various levers you need to put in place and create a printing policy tailored to your company or local authority. We can also produce customized reports and infographics. Don't hesitate to contact us on our website, docsense.com. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. And for more information, visit our documentation site, doc.docsense.com.